Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena. Today we will be making a headphones mobile view page, which is the UI design in Figma. Let's open figma.com and click on the Drafts Plus button and then the design file. Let's title the design file. Now we will click on the frames icon and we will set the width to 375 pixels and the height will be 667 pixels. Great. Now what we will do is we will set the background first. The background would be with this color code which we are seeing on the screen right now. And then let's first see how the NAV bar looks. So basically we have this logo which is AI generated from Microsoft Bing Image Creator. I have just removed the background from it and kept it here. And these are all the social icons that you can get from Iconify plugin in Figma itself. Let's continue. Okay, great. Now let's move everything a bit upwards. What we will do next is place the image of the headphones which is also AI generated. Now let's talk about the shadow. This shadow is created using a rectangle filled with a linear gradient featuring these specific colors. We need to set the layer blur to 39 pixels, which will look great. Now let's work on the main heading. It says, Experience pure sound, meet our headphones. For this, we'll use the Leto font, bold as the font weight, and 32 pixels as the font size. Here's the font color we'll be using. Position the heading in the center. Feel free to adjust it a bit, but please ensure it's centered for a balanced look. Next, let's move on to the subheading, which reads, Built to last, enjoyed for a lifetime, your listening experience today. For this text, we'll use the Poppins font in regular weight and set the font size to 12 pixels. I like this choice and we can also experiment with different fonts, but Poppins works well for our design. Now let's check the buttons. We have these buttons and we need to make them a bit smaller since they're currently too large for the mobile view. Let's scale them down for a more appropriate fit. Enjoy the time lapse as we finalize this. And it's almost done. Everything looks perfect now. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. We are completely done with our mobile design in Figma. If you'd like to see the desktop design, check the description. Thanks for tuning in.